From the Oval Office to freaking blockchain, Donald Trump is always dominating freaking headlines. He's always number one for something, and usually it's politics or something crazy in business. But right now, he's really just making headlines about this meme token. Like everywhere you turn, yes, he literally just had an inauguration, and now he's president of the United States again. But it's a lot about his meme token. And the reason I think that is just because it's exploded within the crypto scene, right? It literally minted billions of dollars in value overnight. Do you guys understand how valuable that is to be able to do that in 2025? And it's only thanks to A, crypto, then meme token creation. So smart contracts, then meme token creation. It's just, you can see how the landscape has evolved. And this should honestly give you guys an idea of where it's going, right? But besides that initially fueling this main rise, could this actually be the most controversial project we've ever seen in this space, right? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Crypto Moses. I appreciate you guys being here. Make sure you click the subscribe button. I don't want you to miss out on the opportunity for this news and the research I do here with the team to make it easy on you guys to know where some of these cryptos are going, okay? Now, today we're focusing on the meme coin that might actually be reshaping the intersection of crypto and politics, okay? Now, these tokens are igniting a lot of debates from everywhere. Every person that brings it up, they have some sort of opinion on it, and I don't blame them, right? The real question stands: are they brilliant branding strategies, or are they risky political maneuvers that could hurt politics and hurt meme coins? Or lastly, is it just the pinnacle of meme coin culture, and this is the start of a new wave, right? So let's take a look at their valuations. I want to analyze some of the market data and break down why some critics are actually sounding alarm bells about a lot of the implications of merging politics with meme coins, right? Let's go through it. So here's the backstory. All right, you guys, just days before his anticipated inauguration and him being the president of the United States again, and Lady Melania ended up dropping a bombshell crypto. If you guys seen the previous videos, we went into them in details. We do some TA on them. Now, Trump and Melania meme coins are cryptocurrencies that have no utility. Their entire value is being driven just by meme coin mania, and it's just by hype, social media buzz, and in this case, one of the most polarizing figures in modern history. I mean, this is the next president of the United States now again, right? And the market response, clearly nothing short of astonishing. You guys, this is crazy. The numbers were crazy, right? The Trump token is right now trading at around $38 to $42, right, per share, with a market cap of around $8.5 billion. That's B in a meme coin world, while Melania is sitting at $810 million. Okay, let's dive into the numbers just by looking at the chart real quick. Right now we got the chart pulled up. We're going to want the 1 hour time frame for this real quick analysis. We did break through the channel negatively, but you guys, this is so insane. We're actually sitting at $35 right now. From previous all-time highs to climb back up, we need 116%, and our total drop has been about 61%. And when we look at the Melania figures, Melania's taken the biggest dip. We actually saw that with our drawing here, right? And we saw that this was, we just couldn't short it. I don't think it was live on an exchange, and it's still down 42% from that. Now from all-time highs, this one's down 80%. So it is tough to think about mixing politics with meme coins and then trying to see if it's actually going to keep its value, right? And that is actually what I think makes it so controversial, right? And on the surface, right, Trump and Melania seem like harmless meme coins, and I do agree with this. But there's a lot of critics that are basically saying, look, this blur could outright destroy the boundaries between politics and then kind of personal business interests. Like, think about it, you guys. It's a sitting president launching a cryptocurrency that's tied to their name and brand and some of the decisions they're gonna make. It's a move that's as bold as it is honestly unprecedented in an opinion on it, right? Now, supporters do call it a masterstroke of branding, right? Now, the detractors, though, they see it as a troubling new chapter in weaponizing of crypto for personal and now political gain. And let's not forget the risk to investors. Like right now, Melania is down about 80%. And we all know that meme coins are extremely volatile, right? And they're often living and dying by like just social media trends. With Trump, the stakes are technically higher than ever, and this could crucially impact both meme coins and politics. But on a positive note, on the other end of the perspective, it's really fascinating how Trump and Melania tokens are kind of symbolizing the intersection of politics, pop culture, memes, right? And then crypto. And it's in an era where memes kind of drive everything from elections to stock market trends. It was only a matter of time before we did see this type of crossover. And it's really cool that it's happening from a president on the positive perspective, right? Now, the only question, and this is looming, are they going to hold their value? Or are we destined to become a pump and dump? And hopefully it's not. Melania's looking like that with the numbers we're getting at, but only time will tell. And we'll see if it stabilizes, right? For now, they are just a reflection of how deeply crypto has embedded in ourselves within the culture, right? I do want to know you guys' take on this. Is Trump the meme coin of the decade? Or does it raise more red flags than dollar signs? It's a damn good question. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Okay, and if you are trading meme coins and you want a really, really good spot for it, I'm always going to recommend BTCC because I actually love this exchange. I love this exchange to death. It's just so nice. You can leverage on it and you can straight up trade Trump on it just by typing this bad boy in like this. And in here, you guys, you can up to 50x leverage it, right? And always set a stop loss. This is how you do it. You just click this button. And you're going to be able to set a stop loss and a take profit. And the link below in the description, you guys, does actually have a 10K bonus. So it's free money. Use it to your advantage and make some gains on here. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, everyone.